Alright, so here we have a 2013 Ford Focus SE automatic. I do think they make them in stick shift. This is my wife's car. It's been a good car. It's had a couple problems in terms of the transmission having a clutch thing issue. Like I said, it's automatic, but they have this some sort of clutch thing they need to replace, and it caused it to shift very strangely. Headlights need some work. For 2013, it's some of the plastic kind of leaves more to be desired. Either way, I'm here to make the video about the door latch failure. Now, I know it's not specific to the Ford Escape or Ford Focus, but the issue is, let's take a look. Door doesn't latch. Not latching. It's been so tempted that you can inspect that, looks fine. Come down here. I mean, for the most part, it looks fine, but it isn't your child lock thing. It isn't your latching here. Your problem is the whole mechanism inside here. There is a technical service bulletin TSB. I can't remember the numbers. What you want to know is that the issue you're dealing with is inside here, and it's Ford's fault because they produced a component that a little white tab breaks off in here that pulls the latch back down or something like that. So what happens is you go to close your door and it doesn't shut. Now, if you do have this problem, you're kind of freaking out, losing your mind, trying to understand why my door won't shut. It's not going to be fixed by you right now, unless you are able to just have the new piece, revised piece that they've created, and you've got to take the door panel off, unscrew the whole thing. And the whole mechanism is actually pretty big. It's like, you can see the 3 bolts here, and I'm sure there's a few more holding it on, because I think it goes till about here, inside the housing here, the door. Now keep in mind, that's a waste of time, because Ford will replace all 4 of them, driver side, passenger side, front and back, all 4. They all got to be replaced. Just call them, any dealership, any Ford dealership, and what you want to do is let them know, I need to speak to the recall department. My car the door don't shut. You know, maybe it's stuck open. I mean, it's stuck closed. You can't open it. I don't even know. I've seen ones where it bounces off the striker too. It bounces off, and that's another problem. But door latch failure. I think it happened on the Escape, the Focus, maybe some other cars. If your latch looks anything like this, shape-wise, with these 3 bolts holding it in, then it's likely it's the same exact. Honestly, it looks like some dumb face right now laughing at me. Hey, what happened to you, pal? Can't shut your door? What's wrong, pal? Yeah, you nailed it. So funny now, pal. No, but if it looks like this, chances are your latch has failed internally. So what you got to do is call Ford. You can go to any dealership. They'll all do it. Just go to the one that's closest to you, obviously. We're about to drop it off. Tell them you need all 4 replaced. That way, you don't got to deal with that in the future. That's how it's supposed to go. That's how it's supposed to look. It looks the same, so it's very misleading. But that one actually works. Yeah, that should be. The problem is also getting a rental. You know, a lot of dealerships are going to tell you they don't have rentals and this and that. But if you need a rental, schedule it ahead of time. And in the meantime, while your door's flapping open on the freeway, you got to get creative. I would do bungee cord across the other one with another bungee cord, and then, for redundancy reasons, I would honestly throw some the blue painter's tape down here and across. Maybe even, I wouldn't do here because this is paint. I think this part will come off or wear out. You could also do it up here, just for added security. because even if you bungee cord it, when you hit turns, it'll still open up a little bit. The last thing you want to do is have all your gold and valuables fly out on the side of the road. There's a little update on the SHO. Just had to start it up, and you know, move it to the street. It's been a while. It really makes me want to get it going again. Don't let this video fool you. My car is so dirty and neglected right now, but that's all right. It's inspired me to, you know, the Honda's fun, but it ain't fast like the SHO. But yeah, so let me know if you have questions. I believe they say it's going to take 1 to 2 days to get the car replaced, the car components replaced. If you don't have time, I'm sure you could just do one door latch, but keep in mind it's going to happen to all 4 probably. I'm guessing why this one went out first, besides the driver door. I don't have a great guess, but I'm guessing it just happened to go first, and that's the way the door latch crumbles. All right, well, if you like the video, thumbs it up, share it. Let me know what your solution was. Obviously, another way to maybe hold the door shut. Subscribe, please, and all that stuff. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Maybe it'll have the coveted SHO in the mix again. God, it's so dirty. Anyway, thanks for watching.